Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making homemade cough drops. The utensils you'll be needing is a cutting board, a knife, a microplane, a sieve, a saucepan, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. For your ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of fresh ground ginger, 1/2 a cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. If you don't have lemons, use edible lemon extract, but add it at the end. Now set your saucepan to medium-low heat and add in all the ingredients, the honey, the lemon, and the ginger. Now use your wooden spoon to mix in all the ingredients. You want to get your mixture to boiling. Make sure to continuously stir so nothing burns. If your mixture is boiling too much, turn the heat lower. After about 10 minutes, check to see if your mixture is ready. If you have a candy thermometer, get the mixture to 300 to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't, take a tiny spoonful and put it in a glass of ice water. If it hardens, it's ready to go. Now take your baking sheet and use 2 spoons and make little dollops. If you have a candy mold, use that. If not, just use 2 spoons and make little shapes. Once you've used up all the mixture, put it in the fridge overnight to chill and harden. Now this part is completely optional, but we did it because we're in a warmer climate. So if you're in a warmer climate or you want to make sure that your candies don't stick, coat them with some kind of powder. We used cinnamon, you can use arrowroot powder, cornstarch, or powdered sugar. So just coat them and then put them in whatever jar, and you can either keep them in the fridge if you're in a more humid climate or room temperature. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your cough drops.